Hi, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my December daily prep for 2018. This year I'm using the Brandi Kincaid kit from Ali Edwards. The past 2 years I have tried to do a December daily, but I have not been successful in completing my albums, so I hope that this year with a smaller album that I will be able to complete it in a timely fashion. So this is a 4x4 album, and I plan to either do full-size 4x4s or 2x3 photos in the album. So again, this is the Brandi Kincaid. I love this cute little holiday lights print. This is the kids kit, but it's so cute. So I'm going to be using it for mine. So let's flip it open here. So this is my title page. I just wanted to keep it simple, put December daily 2018, and I added a little puffy sticker to it. So for the rest of the album, I've gone ahead and put in the pages that come with the kit, and then I've paired it with paper from another paper pack, and it's from the Holly Jolly line from Pebbles. I think it came out in 2016, and it's just something that I've had in my stash. So every paper on the left-hand side is from the kit, and everything on the right-hand side is from either that Holly Jolly paper pack or from something else. So I'll just kind of flip through here so you can see what I've done. I'm trying to pull colors from the cards from the kit with the papers that I'm using. This one I really love. It says, "In a world full of reindeers, be a Rudolph," and I've paired it with this really pretty red glitter paper. There's a lot of cute animals in this kit, and I love this little koala, and I'm trying to pull in the aquas with it. This one was pretty. There's several gold strips, kind of yellowish gold, throughout the paper pack. So I wanted to pull in some separate papers to go with it. The hot cocoa matching the little aquas. This cute little Christmas tree with the mouse. I might color this in, or I might leave it black and white. I'm undecided at the moment. More of the cute little holiday lights. The naughty or nice. I love all the little penguins. I gave this penguin some little reindeer buddies. I love this polar bear. I tried to, again, pull in the yellow, the gold, to match the scarf with the paper. This penguin, I pulled in the red and pink with this cute little, not candy cane, what are these called? Peppermints. Like I said in the beginning, I don't know if I'm going to do 4x4s or a 2x3, so I've left some of them blank, and I may take out some of the filler cards if I decide to do a full 4x4 photo for that day. The twinkle, matching the gold again with the gold of the poinsettias. Snow day like today. It's a wrap. I'm the gift wrapper in the family, so I'm really like this card, and I'll definitely either use a full-size photo or a 2x3 of me wrapping gifts on this page. This one's really cute. It's a quote from Betty the Elf. It says, "First we'll make snow angels for 2 hours, then we'll go ice skating, then we'll eat a whole roll of Toll House cookie dough as fast as we can, and then we'll snuggle." And I also pulled in this cute candy cane paper because I know that Buddy has to go through the candy cane forest in order to get to New York to see his dad, so I thought that would be really cute. There's also a nutcracker element to this kit. You actually get stickers that match this, so I tried to pull in the red with this stripe. I love the little snowflakes. Again, here's some presents, so I thought this one would be a good opportunity to put a full-size picture of the presents underneath my parents' tree when I go home. And also, the grid is the back side of the cards. So in theory, you could use the grid as your element, but I'll always put paper in over top of it. That way, if I decide to move a card, it's not dependent on that particular day. There's the Dear Santa, the cute little baking list. I pulled this paper in because the little gingerbread men match. And then the last card with the kit is this Jingle Bell. And then I also have this paper that I may use as its own card because we get pajamas every year for Christmas. It's one of our traditions, so I thought that would be really cute. And then you also get, I think there's 31 page protectors and 24 cards. And then you also get some of these 2x2 pocket ones, so I'll probably use these for additional photos. So that's all the cards in the kit. And then to make this easier on myself, I have gone ahead and pulled a bunch of stickers that I think I may use. That way everything's in one spot and I'm not constantly searching through my stash. So I'll show you. Let me pull this box over. This is the box that everything shipped in except for the album. And I'll show you what actually came in the kit, and then I'll go through and show you all these little extra bits and pieces. So what came in the kit is you got a stamp pad in this pretty aqua color, and then some stamps, the reindeer, the nose, us, me, and Mary. Then you got this really cute puffy sticker set. Again, the animals match, the Santa matches, and you got some of the elements. And then this one matches the card that we saw on the inside with the nutcracker. And then it also has the hat, gloves, and scarf. So I've pulled a bunch of stuff that I thought might go with the kit. And I'll show you that now. So I pulled from some different packs these little Christmas trees. These came from one pack, and then all of these Christmas trees came from a different pack of stickers, and they're all foam, and it has just the plain trees and then the glitter trees. I stick all these back in the bag here. And then I had these trees from last year. I think these came from Hobby Lobby, and the colors I think match really well. It has some of the pinks and the aqua. I pulled several envelopes. They're like little glassine bags, and I thought those might look cute somewhere in the kit. I've pulled several sets of letter stickers. This one came in a pack. I don't remember what brand it was, but I have some left over of this wood print, this red, and then this aqua. And then this set is Snap, so this one is the only one I have of this pack. So the rest of these are these little block letters, and I plan to probably use some of the red, the aqua, maybe the pinks and the yellows. So I decided just to stick the whole pack in there instead of separating it out. This is from Crepe Paper Merry Days. Again, it had a lot of the pinks and some of the greens, the dark green that's in the kit. So I thought that would work really well. These I pulled, these are from Hobby Lobby. The colors are a little more muted than the Allie Edwards kit, but I think they'll still work well. Let me pull out the rest of everything here. I have these gemstones. I'd like to get a few more sets of gemstones if I could find stuff to match the kit, but for right now, this is all I have. This is me and my big ideas, and I thought the colors matched well. Another set from Hobby Lobby, a little more muted again, but I think it'll ultimately work out. These I really love. These are from the Target dollar spot from this year. I think they look so cute. They have a lot of glitter. They remind me a lot of Japanese style stickers, which I love. So that's going to be really cute. This set is also from this year, the Target dollar spot, And I thought these were just so adorable with all the little elves and all their different faces. Too cute. This is from the Target dollar spot from last year, I believe, and I love the little Yeti. It's got some of these holiday lights, so I think this will go really well. This is from Crate Paper Snow and Cocoa. I'm going to stick this whole thing in there. I don't know if I'll use them all, but I thought this size of frame would go really well with the kit, especially since I'm going to use a lot of 2x3 photos. So I just thought, just stick the whole pack in there. That way I don't have to go searching for it if I actually decide to use a smaller piece. And then here's another glassine bag, and I have a couple random cut-aparts from another paper pack that might work well. And that's it. So I'm really excited to get started. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this year. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a like, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.